My sneaker collection has significantly grown over the past year. I've been searching high and low for the best solution to store sneakers I buy that come with damaged boxes or don't even come with one at all. I've tried a bunch of workaround solutions like using large plastic storage containers and repurposing old shoeboxes, but both aren't aesthetically pleasing to continue doing long term. I follow a bunch of sneaker YouTubers, and what a lot of them have are these drop front shoeboxes from the Container Store. In doing my research on them, they are certainly durable and indeed nice to look at. The thing that turns me away though is the high cost on them. Depending on the size you get, one shoebox goes for $10 and a pack of 6 of them is a little over $50. For those YouTubers that are spending over $180 plus on Jordans, Adidas, Yeezys, things like that, the Container Store shoebox is a small cost for them. But for an average Joe like me buying New Balances on clearance, paying $10 for one shoebox isn't quite justifiable. And that's when I stumbled upon a similar drop front shoebox alternative on eBay. A set of 12 boxes went for around $27, which is a small fraction of the cost compared to what the Container Store charges. I figured why not give it a shot, so I went ahead and pulled the trigger. Upon arrival and seeing the shipping box, it was clear that some assembly was necessary, and that's one of the few cons with these shoeboxes. Instructions weren't included in the box, and my smart self decided to figure it out. Little did I know that there were instructions on the eBay listing. Anyway, it wasn't rocket science figuring it out, and once I did actually piece everything together, it was still time consuming setting up 12 boxes. And once they were all set up, it was clear how flimsy these are. You know that saying, you get what you pay for? That idea is certainly applicable on these. You can just tell that the plastic on these is super thin and feels that any sort of weight put on them will crush the box entirely. Beyond that, the quality on the drop front plastic door is okay. I would recommend being super careful opening and shutting these because I accidentally cracked one of mine after I filmed this video. The last thing I'd be mindful of is the size of the boxes. Most ads you'll run into on eBay will most likely provide dimensions. For the ones that I have, I'm a size 9.5 or 10. I'll definitely say that a few pairs are cutting it close when it comes to fit and being enclosed in those boxes. And now I'll get to what I like about this setup. First and foremost, it just looks awesome. Seeing this setup compared to a bunch of stacked miscellaneously organized shoeboxes just looks so much cleaner. I know I complained about the build quality on these, but these boxes actually stop on top of each other very well, and that is due to the ridges and slits found on both the plastic door drops as well as the boxes themselves. And of course, the best thing about all of this is the reasonable price on a set of 12. Enough to compel me to buy another set for a total of 24 boxes and a grand total spent of under $60. But that's really it for this video. I just wanted to show you guys that you don't have to go out to the Container Store and drop bands to make your sneaker collection look neat, tidy, and organized, when you have alternatives from eBay and China there as a cheaper option. Of course, buyer beware, and be mindful that what I'm showing you guys in my video may be different from your experience and what you guys get in the mail. But let me know what you guys think about this setup in the comments below. Do you like it, or did I waste my money? I'd love to read about it. Stay tuned for more content, especially since I haven't made videos on a bunch of sneakers that I featured in these boxes. I'll catch you guys in the next one though. Thanks for watching.